Introducing the new standard for on-demand industrial part production. Big enough for your most ambitious ideas. Made accessible for in-house manufacturing. Fuse X1. Produce full-scale production quality parts in a massive build volume. Or run production builds at over 30% packing density to manufacture thousands of end-use parts in days, not weeks. Unbeatable cost per part and productivity makes Fuse X1 cost competitive with injection molding, expanding additive manufacturing into entirely new real-world applications. Fuse X1 is powered by a 120-watt fiber laser and our next-generation galvanometer system for fast, precise sintering. Adaptive thermal control enables unlimited packing freedom and exceptional part quality by delivering, maintaining, and sintering powder at an incredibly stable temperature. Print Intelligence uses AI-powered computer vision to isolate and prevent failures, maximizing uptime so you get great parts on time, every time. Fuse X1 installs and prints on day one, with a large touchscreen for intuitive operation, and a modular build unit that enables changeovers in 5 minutes or less. The Fuse Sift X1 processes powder with quick, clean, and easy breakout for massive back-to-back builds. From design to finished part, no dedicated operators and virtually no downtime between prints. Bring production in-house, iterate on large parts faster, and fulfill more orders at a disruptively low part cost. Manufacturing will never be the same. Formlabs Fuse X1.